Before you begin, it's important to thoroughly review the user guide that came with your Cybex Eternis S car seat. When you remove your car seat from the box, you'll find this guide tucked behind the harness. Remove the tether from the storage compartment behind the car seat. When you're done reviewing the user guide, be sure to store it behind the car seat. Place the car seat forward-facing on your vehicle seat. The tether can be placed over the back of your vehicle seat. We'll attach it at the end of the installation. To start, we'll expose the forward-facing belt path to help with our installation. Raise the headrest to its highest position and unbuckle the harness. Lift the backrest to expose the back of the car seat and the forward-facing belt path. There are two forward-facing recline positions available. Check the level indicator and adjust the car seat to one of these two positions. The recline ball should be positioned in the red zone for forward-facing use. Open the red lock-off door on the same side as the shoulder belt. Next, route your vehicle's lap shoulder belt through the forward-facing belt path, making sure the seat belt lies flat and is not twisted. Buckle the seat belt. Slide the shoulder belt into the lock-off. Place one hand in the center of the car seat and push down firmly into your vehicle seat. With your other hand, pull the shoulder belt in the center of the car seat to gather excess slack. Close the red lock-off door. Next, you must lock your vehicle seatbelt. Information on how to lock your seatbelt is provided in your vehicle's owner's manual. Recheck your level indicator to make sure the recline ball is still in the red zone for forward-facing use. Using one hand, grab the car seat near the forward-facing belt path. Try to move the car seat. It shouldn't move more than 1 inch from side to side or front to back. If it moves more than 1 inch, try to tighten the installation again. If it still moves more than 1 inch, try a different installation method or a different seating position in your vehicle. Attach the tether to the corresponding tether anchor point in your vehicle. Pull the tether adjuster strap to remove excess slack. Finally, extend your linear side impact protection device. The LSP is only used if you're installing your car seat next to the vehicle door.